All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to install NordVPN in a Docker container in Windows or on Windows. I have a different video that covers the Mac OS version. I'll put a link down in the description below. You could go ahead and click that if you need Mac OS. Works a little differently. This one's Windows. You could just go here. There's a link also in the description where you could download the zip of the Docker files. It gives you everything you need to get started. Just go ahead and download that, and we'll get started. Alrighty, so I'm on my Windows machine here. I've got the downloaded file. Just right click that, and we're going to extract all just so we can unzip it. And there we go, got our Docker Compose. All right, so before we do anything, we need to open the Docker Compose and we need to edit it because you will need to add in your login information. Again, on my site, I give you the step-by-step instructions for how to get this login information because it is not your email address and not your regular password for NordVPN. You will need to generate a service username and a service password. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to log into NordVPN into your account. So they've recently redesigned their website. What you're going to do is when you go to the homepage, you're just going to click on NordVPN. We are going to go to set up NordVPN manually. So we're going to click on that. And then we're going to go over to service credentials. And yours will probably say that you need to verify through email. So you just click that. They're going to email you a code. You enter the code right in here. It's like a 6-digit code. And then it reveals your credentials. So these are your service credentials for your device. So you just literally copy each of these. So what you're going to do is you're literally going to paste in your info right here, hit save, and then you're going to open up a command prompt. Now we're going to CD into this folder, and that way we can actually run the Docker Compose up with the switch D, and that's going to start pulling and start putting together the Docker container. And once this is done, we will have a container that is running with NordVPN installed. And as we see here, it finished pulling and we've got our container. So it's up, it's running, and I don't have my proper credentials in here, so we're off failing, but as long as you have your credentials in here, it will work. And thanks for watching. That's the end of the video.